Die! You kill everybody in this lobby, you NG! You freaking NG! Kill all the NGs! Hello guys, Doesn't Bear here, and today I'm back with more Team Fortress 2, and today is an episode of Hammer Time. What do you say was Hammer Time? Hammer Time is when we go around the map and start hitting people with our hammer. And see how much kills we can get with our hammer. So it's Hammer Time! Oh, we got a sniper. Let's go, guys. Oh my god, it's oh my god! So much sentries, these freaking, oh my god! Oh! Get him now. Sneak. Oh! Look at his health! No! My god. Oh! I am getting very punished right now. Kill still. Oh, we got him. Critical. Oh! I'm a freaking failure. I don't think it's gonna happen. Come on. Run. Freaking sentries. Son of a bitch. We lost. Look at this guy. Idle. Come on. Wow, he gonna do a taunt kill. Ah, he missed. Hurry up. He didn't get the kill. Come on, first kill. Come on. Oh no, you die.
Point is now available.
Oh my god, I'm a failure. Look at his health. No matter what, we will get this victory. Oh my god, freaking sentry. Let's just get this sniper instead. I don't, nah, he got the fan. I don't want that. Scout's worst parent. Oh, scout right there. I think I should take him. Oh, yes! Finally got one! Yeah! Oh, it's my friend Blue. We will take revenge on him. We will do it. Yeah, okay, let's go. What? He stole my kill. Oh no! The thing is that my backpack is close to my space button, and guess what my backpack button is? It's B. Yeah, look on your computer. That's stupid. That's the only thing that's... Oh, I can't use it. Come here, Blue, come here. Oh, no, he killed me again. It's 6%. I will get revenge on him.
Ends in 30 seconds.
Come on. Come on. No! I'm a failure. We only have one kill, but that's alright. We will get this victory. No matter what. We will get this sniper even though he's a noob. Come here, you freaking sniper. Oh my god! Come here, you stupid spy. Come here. A spy got me. These are alive, dude. Fuck me. Yes, Nucleus, man. I love Nucleus. This is not a good... okay, great.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Yes! We got him! Yeah! Die! You kill everybody in this lobby, you NG! You freaking NG! Kill all the NGs! Y'all know y'all should stop tickling y'all dicks and get on the point.
We have secured Secure the control point.
Thank you very much. We lost. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. I am not surprised. Yeah, I'm not very surprised. And the game is over. The game is over. The game is over. The game is over.